Now, you have seen it every day when you go into maybe Starbucks to get a coffee. The barista has to write your name on the cup. Then you get the coffee after your name's being called. Everything seems very natural, but
there's gotta be a better way. And there is, Kevin.
This is a handheld printer made by a brand called EdenX. This is neither the industry first one nor its own first-gen product, but this one actually has some unique features. And these are all the final results it's made. It can literally print on almost anything, whether it's a paper, cup, shoes, and even plastic or glass. Now you see all the prints here. If you end up liking it, you can head to the crowdfunding page for more info. So let's see what you would get inside the package first. Everything comes in this long box. You may question why a small device like this needs such a long box. Keep watching, you will know. Then we open the package, you will see the printer itself, the charging cable, then 2 ink cartridges with the black and red ink. You can also get green or blue ink if you need. Now what's beneath them is the reason why it needs a long box. This is a frame for printing bigger pictures. This is a 3D printer one. When you purchase it, this frame will be transparent. You know, it will help you position the frame and material better. Later I will show you how it works. So these are the things you will get in the package. If this is the first time you've seen such products, here is how it works. The device connects to your phone via AP, Bluetooth, or 2.4G Wi-Fi. Then you can upload the image or text into the app. The app transfers it to the printer, then the printer shoots the ink through 2,208 holes. You heard it right, there are just so many holes in this small area. Then the image or text can be printed on whatever surface you want it to be. It works just like a regular printer, but only a fraction of the size. That's why you can print names on a coffee cup, sign a document, print a temporary tattoo on your skin, or print something on a gift like a shirt or something. It can be very useful and convenient, isn't it? So if you're a small business owner or you always need to print things on the go, keep watching till the end, you will know why this one is the best choice. So this is actually the second gen products from EdenX. It comes with this transparent shell. The buttons and some layout inside can be seen. The logo lights up to make itself seen through the shell. The look is kind of cool, right? At the bottom, you can see 2 important parts, the wheels and the printer head, and there's a cover to protect them. Inside the cover, there is a rubber cup to protect the printer head, and this is the little tool to pop the ink cartridge out. You just see the unit comes out right away. Quite clever design. This printer has an 850 mAh battery, and you can charge it through the Type-C port here. You have seen some demo at the beginning of this video. Now let's see how it works and get a better look at the printing quality. First up, we have something easy like this shoe. Even though it's an uneven surface, but if you put your palm under, the print quality can still be very good. So as you can see, the image on it is really fine. Specifically, the resolution of this printer can do is from 300 dpi to 1200 dpi. To put it into perspective, the print resolution for most standard documents is from 300 to 600 dpi. Now, what if you want to print something on the bottom of a paper cup? It can still do that. Now you see there are some space between the printer and the bottom of the cup. It can still print it out. That's because the ink is actually being shoot out from those tiny teeny holes, rather print on the surface. I think it's impressive. It is also capable of printing on some special things, for example, these. As you can see, it can print on the cup mat and even rock. There isn't any image quality loss here. It also means that this printer is capable of printing finer images. That's exactly what we're going to do next. Let's say you are a t-shirt seller or you are organizing some event. You can print some images right away. How handy this is. You can also print an A4 doc with this printer. When you transfer the doc to the printer, you just do it step by step. Then a complete doc is printed. This can save you if you don't have a large printer around you. Now you see what this frame is capable of. Some numbers you should know. Without this frame, it can print 2.33 centimeters wide, 50 centimeters long images. With this frame, it can print 18.64 centimeters wide image and 50 centimeters long. It is really big and it claims to be the industry first. So what if you want to print on some glasses or even a tattoo on your body? Let's try that. So you may know that ink actually does not stay on smooth surface. So what you need to do is rub some glue on the surface first, then print image on it. then the picture can stay for a few days. This rule also applies to a temporary tattoo on your skin. Rub some glue on first, then print a fine image on your arm or some other places. The image quality is still very impressive, right? Alright, I would say the printing quality is really good, and it is just like printing things with a regular printer, or even better. But of course, there's a little bit of a learning curve here, and one small tip here: when you use the frame to print on things, make sure you move the printer and the frame together. That way it can make the picture or text printed consistent. Now, there are some highlights behind the scene you should know. First of all, this print head is completely their own patented asset. Before this, the ink cartridges are expensive from big printer companies like HP, and there are some issues with the sustainable supply from companies that also make this kind of tiny printers. The people of this company said there will not be any issue with this. You can be fully confident about it. The ink cartridge has a 20 milliliter ink in it. It supports 600 of A4 paper printing. Currently, you can have many colors to choose from. A slight pity is that the CMYK ink cartridge is still under development. I think it's fine, by the way. When printing, the wheels roll, then tell the print head to eject ink. This is how the image gets printed. It is actually a very sophisticated process, which means there's something impressive in it. The app has some modes you can choose. Besides the regular image and text printing, you can also utilize the OCR feature and print a section of an image. You can also choose fonts. Alright, this is the unboxing and a quick review of the Eden X handheld printer. This is the first time we tried this kind of product. It's kind of fun, right? Like you have seen, it can be used in many situations and it can print on almost all kinds of surfaces. I definitely see a lot of potentials in this one, and if you are also interested, head to the link down below for more info. We don't know the price yet, but you can find it there, or maybe secure your early bird seats. Alright, I'm Will from China. See you next time.